Hello and welcome to the Sunflower Show, Yui Engineer. Today I'll be sharing about the Creality CR-Scan 01. So the 3D scanner is nothing new in the market. There are many methods from photogrammetry, 3D scanning an object using a lot of photos from different angles, along with its specialized software, premium 3D scanner which has super high accuracy but can cost a bomb, and mainly used in the industries. And of course, there are more budgeted 3D scanner which is hobbyist friendly. However, scan quality may not be as high and pricing can range from Rm 1500 and above. Today, I had the opportunity to share with you a hobbyist 3D scanner I have managed to borrow and test it out for you all. This 3D scanner is the Creality CR-Scan 01, which I had mentioned. Price range around 2300 Rm. I would say the pricing is pretty decent. But how about its functionality? Let's find out. Whoosh! Here's this lovely piece in its box state. Let's get it opened. Ta-da! So this is what the inside looks like. So we've got the main 3D scanner, the stand, the cables, and the turntable. Next up, here are the CR-Scan 1 parameters based on the Creality website. Link in the description. Alright. Overall, after looking at it, it's got a pretty high accuracy, I would say. Overall, it looks pretty decent, right? Alrighty, now on to the good stuff. First, we have to download the driver software and get it set up. I put the link in the description. I use version CR Studio 1.7.5.086. It will be good to request for the calibration text data from the seller too, but it should come with the 3Ds. Once you get your software ready and calibrated, we can start with the main process. It will let you choose what type of 3D scanning you would like to do. I only tried the table mode scanning method for this test as I wanted to do a 3D scan of my Yui, a custom art toy of Art Boy I did a while back. Once you choose, you'll be greeted by a tutorial. Don't be like me and go through the tutorial properly, alright? I'll show you why in a bit. Alrighty, let's get the setup done. So, following the instruction, I got it set up. Well, most of the instructions you can see from this video. And it would flashlight as it scans. Really like how the turntable goes spin, 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 spin. Alright, before I show you what result I've achieved, I'm gonna show you what Yui looks like. Yui! Let me present you Yui's first test scan on the CR-Scan 01. Ta-da! Nani? What's that flying piece out there? Okay. Second test 3D scan on the CR-Scan 01. Ta-da! Wait, did I accidentally scan the base? By the way, I added a cardboard on top of the turntable. The reason I added was because I wanted to see if the previous result was due to the turntable. But I guess... Alright, now on to the third scan on the CR-Scan 01. Wait! Chotto! What happened to the scan? Why did the front disappear? After some fiddling and going through the tutorial once more, yes, I found out what's wrong. It happened because there was this one part before the real scanning where we're supposed to scan the base, and it would filter out the base when it's being scanned for real. And because I did not read the tutorial properly, I managed to filter out the front part of my Yui figure. Whoops! After readjusting, I decided to try scanning Yui lying down. This is how it looks like in the software. And this was the result. I would say the result is better, although the back was completely flat, so it got that from me. So I went back to scanning Yui standing up again and this time I went through the scan 3 times. Somehow I finally figured out that I was supposed to stack the scans. I would say it looks a lot better, but still quite lacking. Truth to be said, I was happy and sad about the results at the same time. After that, I spoke to the person who lent me the 3D scanner and spoke about the issue I had and found out that I was supposed to go through the scan around 10 times or until what needs to be scanned is scanned up, and then use a 3D modeling software like Blender to fix the model. Whoopsie! And also, the 3D scanner software actually have some functions that allow you to scan different areas of the model and then you can turn it to stack them together. However, due to time issue, I wasn't able to do the test on the 3D scanner again, so I took the last scan item and imported it into Blender. It is something that could be worked on in sculpt mode, but I don't really want to work with this at all at this point. Oh my gosh. But I can say that it does give a better starting point for digital sculpting or fixing. However, if you want to use this scanner for high accuracy scanning such as car parts or motorcycle parts, I don't think it's the best choice. Overall, Sunflower rating: ease of use 5 Sunflower, easy to set up, but needs very stable connection to PC for good stand and needs to be plugged into the charging port for use. Quality of 3D scan, I would say 3 Sunflower, still sorta wonky, however I'm up for debate for this. Value for money, 4 Sunflower. If you're good at digital sculpting and looking for a more budget-friendly hobbyist 3D scanner, this may work for you. You can find it in many of the platforms available. Please know that these are based on my tests which I've done for the 3D scanner and may differ from your experience. I've put a personal recommendation link in the description as well. Alright, there we have it. It's not that easy to 3D scan either, huh? So do come join Yui 3D modeling and learn how to 3D model in Blender too. That's it for episode 2 Yui Engineer. I'll see you next time. If you like what I do, remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell button for the latest Yui updates. Bye bye! Matahana!